from work, bring in some friends. Why does such a thing make you uptight and tense? You're high-strung, babe.
Salut les amis! Welcome to Amouralail show. Today we will make something super simple and super versatile. Chimichurri. Chimichurri is originally from Argentina and it's perfect for dressing the barbecue. So you can put it on a steak, sausages, chorizo, whatever you like. For the recipe we will need parsley, little bit of garlic, hot chilies, a little bit of oregano, olive oil, red wine vinegar and a little bit of salt. Let's start. We will need a little bit of parsley. As you know guys, I don't throw anything, so many people are throwing the stems. Not me, so we will use the stems also. Stems I will also cut super tiny. I will just pass the knife a little bit. For this recipe we will use pestle and mortar, so all of this goes inside. We will need 3 garlic cloves, great. I'm not cutting it super fine because I'll put everything inside, just a little bit. Perfect. Now we'll put 1 chili, depends on your preferences how you like. I'm not super fan of super spicy, so I will go with half of it. Half of it with the seeds, of course. Perfect. Here I have oregano, so I will put 1 teaspoon. Now a little bit of olive oil. Here I have a red wine vinegar. Just a little bit. And salt. And now we will mix that. I will add a little bit more of oil. It looks amazing. Now I will try it. Oh, amazing. Mix of garlic and then a kick of this spicy and vinegar. You can feel all of that, how it's combined together. It's beautiful. That, guys, is ready. So when you have a barbecue, you put that on top and you enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Merci.